Mr. George, good morning. Yes, I called you for decirle que me no working today.
Excuse me?
Yes, porque cuando me driving en el freeway, my car de repente stop.
What?
I don't know what happened. Yes. Es possible que my the battery, yes, it's not good. No camina, no drive my car, no good. Okay? Me working hasta tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. No working my car en el freeway. Okay, thank you.